hope you're all doing well and safe out there. My name is Khyati and I'm an international makeup artist. Today I want to talk about my online academy. That's my online makeup and hair academy. So last year on this day, 8th June 2020, when I launched my online academy, I knew I had to give it my all. There are no days off and no vacations. So I had to sacrifice something or the other in order to get to where I wanted to be, and I realized that dreams do come true, but you do have to put in your all your hard work basically. So it's harder for entrepreneurs to do this, as you must reach very deep inside of you to push yourself every day. I have a fond passion for beauty, education, people, cool brands, and generally showing love to the important people in my life. I feel I have so much gratitude for the people who have given me this idea, inspired me, motivated me, and supported me to start up this academy. You guys know yourselves. So what inspired me the most was someone once said that, you know what, we are in different countries, but the sky is the same, the sun is the same, and the moon is the same. So I felt, yeah, I can reach out to so many people out there around the world, and that's what got me started this academy. So overall, Kids Bridal is a combination of all these things, and I am thrilled to be able to offer makeup artist education, beauty tips, product knowledge, and like so much more to individuals all around the world. I feel so fortunate to be able to connect to so many new people around the world, and I feel proud and happy when I hear success stories from students who thank me for offering them quality education and opportunities which probably they would not receive otherwise. It really melts my heart when I see dreams come true, and it's also so exciting when I see students enroll from different parts of the world. We have students from countries like US, UK, Tanzania, Malaysia, India, Kenya, and God willing we'll have so many more in this coming year. So in all this, what I noticed is that through my online class or masterclass, one-on-one classes, it's like having so many people come together for one common interest and goal. It is electrifying when students receive the foundation I lay out for them and the response I get back. My aim is to help students elevate with their work and provide them with an enriching experience to help grow their business and clientele. So I'll also say that in the past 1 year, like in this 1 year, what I learned is that you must focus on the right things and the right people. Your surroundings are so important, so make sure the people you're with, they're inspiring you, motivating you, and are constantly challenging you. It is so easy to observe the energy around you, so make sure that energy is positive and upbeat. It's also very easy to get distracted, but it's really important to stay focused and not cloud your judgment on emotions. I'm going to repeat that again. Don't cloud your judgment on emotions. What I feel is I'm very emotional, and I'm very emotional with my work as well. Like, I like to give my 100% to everything, be it an online tutorial or doing a bride or basically anything. I'm very emotional. I am so attached to my work, and for my online academy as well, for each and every tutorial, I make sure that my model who comes in, she's super comfortable, I am attached to her, I understand her, and it's like a smooth tutorial that goes on and something that everyone would understand. What makes me laugh is, like, in this 1 year, I used to bother my videographer so much, like, no, I want like this, I want like that, this is not right, this is not like that. So I feel what I need to bring out is the best out of best for everyone of you out there. The online academy is for everyone worldwide to level up their skills and to learn something new every day. I want to give women the tools to be their most confident self and really break down barriers. Level up for nobody else but you. Sometimes when there is not a road in front of you, you have to mark it yourself. I always say I think the fate line in our human hand can only be changed by one person, and that is by ourselves. There is nothing better than getting better. Keep growing with unlimited creative classes. We literally have new classes every weekend, so grow without limits. Discover what you can create with inspiring classes. And I'm also going to say that it wasn't luck that got you this far, it was God's favor. So I'm going to say this because for those of you who have joined and also those who are going to join in future, it wasn't luck that got you this far, it was God's favor. You'll be surprised who is watching your journey and being inspired by it. Remain authentic, remain genuine, and remain true. Get inspired at every makeover you see, at every class you learn. Be ambitious, be bold, hustle until you make it. Don't give up on your idea because it looks unachievable. Face your fears and work your way around it. Build, teach, and invest in you. So all I can also say is that the point is the sky is limitless once you have proper training. Our online classes are often self-paced and flexible. You can work on your practicals whenever you have free time, and also what's the best thing is that you can work from your home, meaning that you don't have to spend time or money commuting to schools. I think this is a very good option, especially during pandemic time. If you're not able to travel due to local restrictions, in-person training won't even be an option for you. So our online makeup classes will quickly become your best friend, like literally it's gonna be your very best friend. And also our online makeup classes are more budget friendly. In general, online learning is more affordable option. It even gets better. Not only is the tuition lower with online classes, but many additional expenses such as travel costs and accommodations, you would save up a lot more on that. And did I also mention that as a student of Kids Bridal Online Makeup and Hair Academy, you'll also receive access to this amazing makeup discounts with big name brands. We always mention in our classes some discount codes whenever it's available. So as part of your makeup course, you'll also receive plenty of business training. Some of the classes provide business and marketing sections that offer marketing and promotion tips. You'll learn valuable skills to best manage yourself, launch a successful makeup business, and develop a high quality portfolio. So today is really a special day for me. It's 1 year for our Kids Bridal Online Makeup and Hair Academy. It's a very special day, honestly, and I'm so grateful to each one of you for being part of it. And I'm thankful to all our models who come in, friends, relatives.